even though there is a slowdown in physical trainings that we are always running in hotels, especially 5-star hotels in Kuala Lumpur. We have an interesting module which is called online learning, which we have a team to actually specially develop it. And with me, I have my IT lady, Miss Ira. She's in charge of the e-learning portal, where she takes care of all the nooks and crannies and the videos. The content is taken care by another team, but she takes care of a lot of the technical stuff, which we might need a lot of help. So Ira, can you tell us a little bit? Is online learning very, very interesting?
Yes, of course. You can click there, click here, and then you can directly learn from the virtual learning, from the electronic learning, without going outside, without maybe you currently worried about the pandemic right now, but don't worry, we have another solution, an alternative for you.
When you are unable to come, doesn't mean that you have to stop everything. You can still learn. We have the whole day actually preparing the webinar and also the online learning modules with a couple of our trainers. Dr. Barak is one of them. He has just finished his webinar for about 4 hours. Tomorrow he will come back again for more webinars with our clients. And then on Thursday we will go full swing for those people who sign up for the Thursday and the Friday class, who are a bit afraid of coming to live. So we will come to you live actually. So for those people who are not able to join us physically, we will see you virtually and try our best to actually give you a very good and satisfied way of learning. If you have never tried e-learning, this is the time to actually try it. I'm very glad that you can join us.
Explore the eye training.